Introduction to Azure Synapse Terraform. Azure Synapse is a fast and flexible analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources, and Azure Terraform is a tool that enables you to manage and provision Azure resources using infrastructure as code. Prerequisites for Azure Synapse Terraform. To get started with Azure Synapse Terraform, you need to have an Azure account and Azure subscription, and Terraform installed on your machine. Step 1. Setting up Azure Synapse. First, create an Azure Synapse workspace using the Azure portal or Azure CLI, then create a new resource group to organize your resources. Step 2. Installing Terraform. Download and install Terraform on your machine, then configure your Azure credentials to connect to your Azure account. Step 3. Configuring Azure Provider. Create a new Terraform configuration file and configure the Azure provider with your Azure credentials and subscription details. Step 4. Creating Azure Synapse Workspace. Use Terraform to create an Azure Synapse workspace by defining the workspace resource and its properties such as name, location, and storage account. Step 5. Creating Azure Synapse resources. Create additional Azure Synapse resources such as databases and pipelines using Terraform, then manage and provision these resources using Terraform. Best practices for Azure Synapse Terraform. Use modular Terraform configurations to organize your code and reuse resources across different environments. Use version control to track changes to your Terraform configurations and automate deployments using Terraform and Azure DevOps. Conclusion. In this guide, you have learned how to use Azure Synapse Terraform to manage and provision Azure Synapse resources using infrastructure as code. By following these steps and best practices, you can streamline your Azure Synapse deployments and improve collaboration across your team.